guys, it's Evie, and today
We're here with the crew, just us, and we're doing a slimed part.
Ooh.
Okay, so can you film me?
Well, let's just put it like that.
Okay. Alright, guys, so we have so much slime.
So this is from last time, part 1.
We're still in the
Dos.
same clothes because we did it on the same day. Today, we just did it. We just thought, how about we did it in part 2? So, still the same thing. So I have a bigger piece. She has the little piece.
The baby piece.
Yeah, and this.
Because I'm the tester, and then she's like, and then she gets the bigger part. See how? Okay, this time you go get the soap, because I did all the hard work last time getting the soap.
Okay. Since we. Oh. Ice. Why?
Ice.
Okay.
Here's
This
kicks when she sleeps, and she's really annoying.
What are you doing? Okay, let me. You test. Since we add the same amount.
That.
Alright. 1,
Not a lot. Not a
2,
lot. Not a lot.
3.
My mom is right in my room. Not a lot. Okay, that's good. That is good. It kind of smells like cat litter.
Oh yeah.
It's not
Like
good.
fresh cat litter.
It doesn't smell good.
I know.
I like Oxy better, but if we use it all, my mom's gonna be mad.
I don't think if you add water to this, it would probably be messy because it's kind of like clay. So
This is not clay. This is like,
you put clay in it.
yeah. I love clay butter slime, but this is jiggly slime.
We're making it though.
Listen to how you squeeze it. Not a lot. Oh geez, that came out. Look, it's changing the color sort of. When you rub, you gotta pay attention to that. Come on. Gotta pay attention to your slime. When your legs don't work like they used to before.
I'm thinking. I don't even know that.
Your
part.
legs don't work like they used to before. Wah, wah.
Get it thick and then here, film here. See this? Look, guys. So you do this.
Camilla.
Oh, wait. So make it in a ball. Makes such an amazing noise.
Hey, bestie.
Oh.
Guys, she's like,
What are you doing?
so annoying.
I hear you.
What did I say?
I don't know, but I hear you talking about me.
I wasn't talking about you. I was talking about Toby.
What are you doing?
I was just saying how cute is
Toby? This is making it sticky.
Camilla!
I gotta pay attention. No, it's better.
How about you just kind of roll it back? No, not that far. So it doesn't go off the other edge.
Okay, let's go.
No. No. Oh, sleep. I don't even squeeze it. I just let it come out. And be with the soap. Okay, I'm gonna put the soap back.
You better
not say anything about me on my chin when I'm gone.
I didn't say anything. I just said, all right, guys.
I'm watching this video later.
All right, guys.
Okay, so she's amazing. Guys, Please, no, not again.
Not again.
No, not again. Why? Camilla, don't. Okay, I'm confiscating your ability to stand up. Okay, so my mom never knew we got soup. Yes, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. No. Oh! No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I don't.